Guys, it's Sayla, and I'm going to show you how to make slime. Now, all you need is a bowl to mix in, or something to mix in, and something to mix with. And then you are going to need baking soda, glue, whatever glue you need, and eye drops or contact lens stuff. I don't know what to call it, but you see it in the video. And then so you're like pour your glue in. Okay. And then we are going to pour in a little bit of baking soda. I got baking soda. I know it seems like it's not even a little bit, and then mix it around. If you want to add color, it's optional, but then you are going to put your soap in. I'm using the Hello Beautiful from Bath and Body Works. You can use whatever soap, and then you're just gonna put like one drop or one squirt. Really amusing. And mix that. Then you're going to take your contact solution or drops and put like 3 of them. And then you're gonna mix. It will get sticky. See? Can you see that? Yeah, it's getting really sticky. When that happens, you're going to take it out and rip off your mixing thing. And you can make how much you want. I don't add color because I don't have color, so that blue guy is maybe. So just keep on like playing with it, and just one out like some. I have like a huge patch right here, so I don't want that. But please like and subscribe down below. Remember, this is one of our DIYs, and oh crap, remember to put this thing in a container or like one that has no air in it, because if it has air in it, it will dry up the next day and not be really stretchy, and it will just be like putty. But same thing. Please like and subscribe, and I will make more videos, and these are DIYs. Make more DIY videos about slime and stuff. So first timer slime. I have never made slime before. Be honest, I have made Play-Doh, but not slime. But this is really cool, and you have like your school supplies and everything at your house. But yeah, so I will see you guys. I don't know when. I will make more videos now or later. Do you see that? It says, you got this. If I got it, you got it. Let's do this. Bye, you guys.